All right, what's going on, guys? So back with a quick one here. If you recall from some of my previous videos, I've always said how I cannot stand the glossy reflective look. I can't stand it. It just makes the screen hard to see on devices, and I'm a huge fan of matte screen protectors. When the iPad mini first came out, I couldn't find any matte screen protectors yet. I mean, everything was very limited. Even trying to find cases, it took a few days after it released for accessories to start showing up. So I actually heard about this one from another YouTuber. I think his name on YouTube is Your Average Tech Guy or something like that. And then he showed how he had a matte screen protector. He got it through Amazon, so I immediately went to the link, ordered me one. Cost about $10. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little unboxing and throw it on there. We're gonna see what it looks like. So boom, there we go. So this is PaperFeel, not to be confused with Paper-like, which those screen protectors are much more expensive, like $40 or something, $30 or $40. So it looks like this one's one of the flexible ones, not a tempered glass one, but I'm looking forward to getting that matte look on the screen. So let's go ahead and rip this open and see what we have inside. Boom. And anything else? Nope. Okay, we're good. All right, so it comes with, we got like the dust removal stickers and the cleaning wipes and stuff all in a nice little package. That's kind of cool. You have these things right here. So what these are for is so that you can put them down on the table or whatever surface you're on, and gives it a little bit of grip. So when you get down to try to put the screen protector on and stuff, your tablet isn't sliding all over the place. So that's a nice touch to add. A nice big squeegee. I'm probably gonna save this after the fact and then use it when I wash my windows in my car or something. I don't know, but yeah. So that's nice. Got a thank you note. That's sweet. I'm not gonna read it here. If you want to read it, you can pause it and boom, read that. And then and it comes with two, so it's a 2-pack. And as you see, so yeah, they're flimsy, but that's fine. I don't drop my tablets, so I barely drop my phones. So I'm not too worried about it being tempered glass. I do enjoy the tempered glass, but this should be just fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on, and we're gonna see what it looks like when I come back. See you in a second. Right, and here we go. So got it on there. I did have a little bit of an issue right when I was placing it, and I don't know if you can catch it in the little time lapse that I did, but a little speck of dust made its way right onto the sticky side of the screen protector as I was laying it down. Not a huge deal. Like overall, it still looks good. I have a couple of bubbles here. They'll work their way out. I just got rid of another one. So not a huge deal, but so it looks good. So the feel it's got like a little bit of a rough kind of texture to it. Not incredibly bad, but you could definitely feel a difference with the Apple Pencil when you're if you're writing or drawing or something. So there's a lot more essentially like grip on the screen, but if I open this up, I mean, it still works just fine. It's responsive, and yeah, but I just like it. So you can still you can see the light, you can still kind of see the reflection, but it's not overbearing. And I don't know if the camera is going to translate it, but as far as me looking at it, looks 100 times better already. I just really enjoy the matte look. Like I said, I put those screen protectors on all of my devices because I cannot stand that super just shiny glossy look. So that's it. So I'm gonna drop a link in the description for to where you can pick it up on Amazon. It's like I said, it's PaperFeel, not paper like PaperFeel. But yeah, $10, throw it on there, and now you don't need to wear sunglasses when this thing catches light at a certain angle, because now it's nice and matte and the reflection is dulled a whole lot, and I like it. And you can see I'm not the greatest at applying. I mean, I can do better sometimes. I kind of rushed it to throw this one on here, but it's fine, and it comes with two, so push come to shove I can always swap it out, but I'll leave this on until it gets messed up. So that's been it. Just wanted to do a quick one to show. Finally, I have a nice matte screen protector on my iPad mini. And yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, drop some comments down below if you want to, subscribe, all of that jazz. Like always, more and more content to come, and I appreciate it always, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.